आज ही डाउटनेट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनेट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सोल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
Mili's first generation uHear is filled to half capacity with songs. Her second generation uHear, which has 3 times the capacity of her first generation uHear, is filled to 4/5 capacity. Will Mili be able to transfer all of her music from her first generation uHear to her second generation uHear? So therefore we have two generations of music uHear, 1 and 2. Let's say the capacity for the first generation is X. It has been said that the second generation has a capacity which is 3 times that of the first generation. That means the capacity for the second generation is 3x. Also we know that for the first generation, half of the capacity is filled with songs. So that means x by 2 is filled up. So the left capacity would be x minus x by 2, which is equal to x by 2. For the second generation, we know that 4 by 5 of the capacity is filled. That means 4 by 5 of 3x, which is equal to 12x by 5. So this much capacity is filled, and the left capacity would be the total minus the filled capacity, which on simplification gives us 3x by 5. So that means in the first generation the capacity which is left is x by 2, that is half of the total, and in the second generation the left capacity is 3x by 5. Now we wish to know that will Mili be able to transfer all of her music from the first generation to the second generation. That means she wishes to transfer all of her songs from first to the second generation. Now in the second generation the left capacity is 3x by 5, and in the first generation the filled capacity, that is the capacity which is filled with songs, is x by 2. So x by 2 and 3x by 5. Now we know that 3 by 5 is greater than 1 by 2. So that means 3x by 5 is a greater number than x by 2. So that means the capacity of the second generation which is left unoccupied is greater than the filled capacity in the first generation. So that means the space is available for all the first generation songs to be transferred to the second generation. So that means yes, Mili can transfer all of her songs from first generation to the second generation.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट, IIT, जेईई मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनेट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।